Governor Adeleke directs review of death sentence on teenager for stealing chicken. So you see, Nigeria, animals are more important than human beings. During Buhari, during Buhari, cows were more important than human beings. But now, chicken are more important in Nigeria than human beings. How can a judge, a reasonable judge, sentence a teenager to death because he stole chicken? How? So you see, everything coming out from Nigeria, everything coming out is validating Dele Farotimi's book. He's just validating his book. So he took the Governor Adeleke direct review of death sentence on teenager for stealing chicken. He took the governor to hurt the death sentence. If the governor didn't intervene, they would have just killed that guy. They've done it to so many young boys and girls. They've done it to them. They just killed that guy for stealing chicken. So chicken is now more important than human beings. Every day, different issues kept coming up, and they are all validating Dele Farotimi's book regarding Nigeria criminal justice system, the corruption in the judiciary. How can you sentence a teenager to death because he stole chicken? Where is that law? I don't understand. In Nigeria, they are sentencing teenagers to death because they stole chicken. But in China, I read that in China execute official in $412 million corruption case. So he stole $412 million. He was corrupt, so they executed the guy. He was executed. A 64-year-old former official who was convicted of bribery. He was executed. Meanwhile, in Nigeria, some governors will steal billions of naira, billions of dollars, and they will be walking around free after stealing the future of young people. They will be walking around, and the judge will not sentence them to death. Rather, they will sentence a teenager that stole chicken to death. That is the criminality in the justice system we're talking about. How can politicians will steal billions and we know them? And the funniest thing is that the people are also the problem. The people will be hailing these people, supporting them because they are from your tribe. Will be supporting corruption. In China, they're executing corrupt officials. But in Nigeria, we are celebrating them. We're celebrating them and executing young people that stole chicken. That is the injustice in the justice system.